Is it 6767? Yeah, it's 6767. Yeah, it's 67. There's that one. Motherfucker.
Hey, Quinn, tap in there. Daniel, right here.
Oh, I've been back there, Daniel! Did you think I would let this day pass quietly? I know the kind of power you vibe with. Oh my god. I don't know who's there. I only know it's Random Daniel. That's all I know. Happy birthday, Daniel! Random Daniel. Deadass, what did you think was gonna happen, bro?
Alright. Here's what I'm going to do. Coin and vice. If you guys lost your kids, you guys can just.
I don't have
You can just make a new one, it doesn't matter. Just change the. You can just like claim anyone else's kit and then just change the trimmed armor and get normal shields and be fun.
It could be like a conference, like more like hero, flame. Big flame 6767. Get them, then right cancel.
Okay.
And then whenever you have your trims, then make a kit of your kit, so then we can give it to guards to have as well.
How the fuck? It's Quackitous. Oh my fucking god, it's Quackitous. I love my life.
Yep.
Sugo.
Never.
Exactly, bro.
Awful.
Exactly, bro. And then, yeah, the only thing that will change about this scene compared to how it was last time is that when I approach the village, 2 guards of your choice are going to come fight me, and I'm going to let them capture me. And then I'm gonna come in here and talk to you as like a I just got captured person instead of like a I come in peace person, and then